welcome. I'm going to take a very minimalist approach to moderating this session and try to leave as much time as possible for the speakers and for questions, and trying to get done on time so we can all convene to the evening's activities. But I am really excited about this final session for the day. We've already seen a number of great posters and lightning talks on using eDNA for monitoring invasive species and species at risk, and then we have another 7 talks this afternoon. So I'll just, we've got a nice sort of a photo display here just showing some of the diversity of taxa that we're going to be hearing about over the next 7 talks. Fish, insects, aquatic plants, amphibians, even an aquatic mammal in there. A nice diversity of methods. Some of the talks will look at targeted single species approaches, others doing eDNA metabarcoding, and 1 or 2 talks comparing different methods. And I think a lot of us are very excited to hear Adam's talk talking about ReadyNet as we go from research or proof of concept to deployment. And I think it was maybe Ken talking about his eDNA journey, and I was just thinking back to when I was, I think this was maybe 2009, one of my colleagues at DFO Sea Lamprey Control Center phoned me up one day and he said, I've been hearing about environmental DNA. Can we use that for sea lamprey larval assessment? And I said, environmental DNA, that sounds very interesting. Tell me about that. And so it has been quite a journey. So I was just thinking that, it was 2008 with the PISCeS et al. Paper, and then in 2011 with the Journey et al. Paper, when eDNA really came into our consciousness. And then now, 10, 12 years later, we're already looking at automated sampling in this broad-scale deployment. So it's really exciting to see how much has happened over a relatively short period of time. And so I'm just imagining what the next few years might bring.